I haven't tried these yet, so I'm going to try, it's quick release. It's Diablo. This is 2 1/8 inch hole saw, and I have a few more back in the shop. Let's just play with these and see how they do. Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Now, I've been looking at these for a while. This is new to me. I kept on looking at them and I thought, then I saw a demo and I thought, oh, I have to have this. So this is Diablo Snap Lock Plus. We'll show you what we're able to do with this. So I got the kit for clipping these in and out. I got the 1 inch hole saw and the 2 1/8. That's the most popular sizes that locksmiths use to install deadbolts, key knobs, whatever. So we have a 1 inch and a 2 1/8. And we have the kit in here. I could take some of my other hole saws, connect them into this. And what's more importantly for me, these things in theory are supposed to last 50 times longer, whatever, standard hole saws. So these are, I think they call them bimetal. They're for wood or metal, so which is absolutely perfect for most of what we install. A lot of our steel doors are light steel cladding, wood doors like crazy. Some heavy duty steel doors that could work, except for one, and we'll talk about that another day. But this hole saws, I'm going to test them all, but I just wait to see how this works on our drill. So here we go. These are the adapters to put my other regular hole saws. So there we got that. Let's see how it works. Oh, that's pretty good. Get it off. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, this is nice. Shoot, this is going to save a lot of time. Okay, I'm going to install a lock a little later. So far, extremely impressed with this. Solid. Looks good. And apparently, it's got the wood, you can knock the wood out quicker and easier with this. Stand by. So Diablo Snap Lock Plus. Again, new to me. I've seen it out for a while and I just thought, when I saw the demo, I thought, oh, I got to have that. So this is going in my kit. Carbide, supposed to last 50 times longer. Very, very nice. Look at that. Okay, let's install some locks, see how it works. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.